My name is Aradhya Rameshwar Maske. I am in 4th standard.
My class name is
My
my class name is
Shreyas
Shreyas English Academy,
Shreyas English Academy,
Kalamnuri.
Kalamnuri.
Today I have to read helping verbs.
helping word.
What's helping word?
Sir, words come. Can means शकतो.
जोरात म्हणायचं. CAN असं CAN.
Can means शकतो. COULD. Could means शकत होता. COULDHAVE. Could have means शकला असता. WILLBEABLETO. Will be able to means शके. may means शक्यता आहे. MIGHT might means शक्यता होती. MIGHTHAVE means ल असण्याची शक्यता आहे. HAVE TOHASTO have to has to means करायचं आहे. had to means करायचं होतं किंवा करावं लागलं. WILLHAVETO will have to means करायचं असेल. NEEDNOT need not means गरज नाही. NEEDNOTHAVE need not have means गरज नव्हती किंवा गरज नव्हती. DARENOT dare not means हिम्मत नाही. WOULDHAVE would have means ल असतं. WOULDLIKETO would like to means करायला आवडेल. SHOULD should means करायला पाहिजे. MUST must means करायलाच पाहिजे. SHOULDHAVE should have means करायला पाहिजे होतं. MUSTHAVE must have means करायलाच पाहिजे होतं.
Thank you.
USEDTO used to means करायचा. Had better means केलेलं जास्त चांगलं राहील. थँक्यू.